Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we are making our double dipped coconut chicken video, and this chicken turns out amazing. It's got a really unique taste to it because we've got the coconut milk in there, or the coconut cream, and then we got all the spices in there. It's absolutely amazing. If you want to know how to do this, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what kind of ingredients we're going to. I have chicken cubes. I have about 1-inch chicken breast that I have cubed them. You can use red meat if you like, as far as the leg or the thigh, but I want to go with the breast. We like the breast better. So now that's our chicken. Need some skewers. Now these, you can either put them in water and leave them there for about half an hour. And today I did forget to do it. So it's okay if you do that. Just kind of wrap the ends up so that they don't burn. Okay, that's the reason. Here I have coconut cream, and this is a can of 14 flask ounces. What I'm gonna do is try and get just the cream out as much as I can. I have tamarind here, which is from concentrate. We're gonna be using about a tablespoon of tamarind. Now, for the chicken marination, we are going to be doing it marinated twice. So here is I've got 2 tablespoons of or 3 tablespoons of paprika. Now you need some very good paprika. I have a teaspoon of salt. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon and a half of fresh ginger and garlic. I have a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and then I have 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Now we're also going to be adding some sugar in there. I'm not gonna say the measurement as yet because I don't want to make it too sweet. This is coconut sugar. I'll be starting with adding 2 tablespoons, so we have kind of a chicken that's a little sweet, a little sour, and a little bit spicy. And if you wanted to add more spice, go ahead and do so. We're going to be doing 2 tablespoons of 1 tablespoon of organic coconut oil, and I think we have all our ingredients, so let's get started. You want to cook this mixture just for about 2 minutes so you can get the raw spice taste out of it, so it gets really nice and fragrant. Once you've got 2 minutes in, then go ahead and add your tamarind. So I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of our brown sugar. You want to give this, or coconut sugar, you want to give this a taste, and it should be really good, a little spicy, a little sour, and a little bit sweet. Now, once this mixture gets done, it comes to a boil once, then shut it off, and then what we're going to do is we're going to let this mixture completely cool before we add it to our raw chicken, because this is going to be our first marinade for our chicken. As you can see here that I've started skewering my chicken, and you're going to think, oh my God, she hasn't marinated it. But it's going to be much easier for us to marinate it on a stick than it is once you put the marination on. It gets kind of messy. So I like doing it like this. You just kind of do your skewers, get it ready. The marination is in the fridge cooling. Half of it is cooling right now. The other half is still on the stove getting thick. So I'm going to finish these, and when I start marinating this, I'll show you how I did it. So our mixture has completely cooled down, and you see the way I'm marinating it. Just want to keep on doing this to all of our chicken. The other half of the marinade is again on the stove, just getting really nice and thick. So this is going to be our first marinade, okay? You want to marinate this for at least a couple hours. If you really want a really good taste, it'd be a good idea to marinate it. At least 20 minutes you have to marinate it, but other than that, if you can do it overnight, it would be awesome. So let's get all these done, and then I'm going to start grilling these in the house, and I'll show you what they look like. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on it so it doesn't stick. Just a little bit. Get my brush and just brush it along just like that. Now this can also be done in the oven on 400 degrees and just like how we're doing it over here, but I'm using my indoor grill today. So you hear that sizzling sound? That's exactly what you want. You want it to make that sound so you know that your grill is really nice and hot. I'm gonna start placing these on the grill, let them cook up a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn them. Then I'll show you the next step. You can see here that they're coming around really, really great. And once I feel that they're a little white, they can be pretty much 90% done. And then you want to take them out right here, and we're going to put them on the same plate. And you're going to say, well, this is the same tray that I had my chicken on, so it's got, it's got cross-contamination. No, it doesn't, because we're going to put the chicken back in here. We're going to give it another second marinade, and then we're going to put it back in the stove. So you just want to make sure that you don't overcook these. Because it's breast, it's going to get cooked really, really quickly. Cleaned out the grill a little bit. I put a little bit of olive oil on there. I've reduced the temperature down to about 375. And now what we're going to do is the ones that are right here that are 90% done, we're going to take that other marinade. See how thick it's become? And we're going to now baste it again like this. And this is the reason why you're not going to need another sauce to dip it in, because this is going to be just a super, super tasty marinade filled chicken. So you just want to go around and do all your chicken like this. And basically I've lowered the temperature because I want that marinade to really stick on there and get really nice and tasty. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish all these up. I'm gonna come by and I'm gonna show you when they're still getting done and I'm turning them. And then I can't wait to do the taste test. So our chicken kebabs are done. The house smells amazing, so fresh, really guilt-free. And so I'm gonna give it a taste test. I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. I don't know which one to pick. Okay. This chicken is super flavorful. Like, you don't need any dipping sauce with it. It's got a unique taste because it's got that tamarind in there. It's just coming through. Just enough spicy. I think for us it's perfect. And the chicken is not overcooked. That's the most important thing. But this is amazing. It's just so great. It's guilt-free. So if you want to try these, give this a try. Not if you want to try this, you want to give this a try, because these are super amazing. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Help me get to 100,000 subscribers. Hit the notification button by the side so that you can get a notification every time I upload a video. And I had something to say and I completely forgot. But for those that have already subscribed, thank you so very, very much. I love you all so much. I mean, I wouldn't be where I am today without you guys, so thank you. Leave me a comment or two. I'm available on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and I do have a Facebook page, and my website is getting worked on, so if you want to print any of those recipes, you can print them off of the website. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. And I did forget that I really, really, really wanted to take the time out and give a shout out to my daughter Sakina for going over and beyond helping me get these Ramadan videos done. If anything, it's not me, it's her, because without her videotaping me, I wouldn't really be having these videos. So I really, really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart that you took the time out between finals and stuff to get all these videos done.